and welcome to Prudent Media. My name is Sachin Chatte and on this show we take a look at the latest releases. Today we will take a look at the new Marvel movie Fantastic Four. The Fantastic Four first steps marks the introduction of the Fantastic Four into the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Their presence has been alluded to previously, most notably in the post-credit scene of Thunderbolts earlier this year. However, this marks their first full-length film and they are set to appear again in Avengers Doomsday, which is scheduled for 2026. The two Fantastic Four films in this century, that was Fantastic Four in 2005 and Fantastic Four Rise of the Silver Surfer in 2007, were not particularly well received, and there was another film in 2015, but the less is said the better about all those films. This time, however, the filmmakers have managed to get it right. As this is fundamentally a superhero film, the conventional tropes are present, yet there is a genuine effort to weave a cohesive narrative around those tropes. In the end, the film also pays homage to Jack Kirby, who along with Stan Lee created the F4 characters with the quote, "If you look at my characters, you will find me. No matter what kind of character you create or assume, a little of yourself must remain there." The filmmakers appear to have taken this to heart, resulting in a film that stands a few levels above others in this genre. Without delving into extensive backstory, we quickly cut to the chase and are introduced to the Fantastic Four. Dr. Reed, that's Mr. Fantastic, is Richards, played by Pedro Pascal, a scientist whose expertise lies in stretching, in addition to being an intellectual. He is married to Sue Storm, who is the Invisible Woman, played by Vanessa Kirby, who is, as her name implies, possesses the ability to make herself invisible. Sue's brother is Johnny Storm, the Human Torch, played by Joseph Quinn, and there's also the incredibly strong Ben Grimm, also known as the Thing, played by Eamon Moss Baccarat. They complete this joyful family and they even share their meals together. One day it is revealed that Sue is expecting a child and the entire family is elated. However, since this is a superhero film, an imminent threat must arise, and that is exactly what happens. Silver Surfer, played by Julia Garner, arrives to inform the inhabitants of Earth that Galacticus has decided to devour the planet. Mr. Fantastic devises a strategy to protect the planet, which involves neutralizing Galacticus before he can attack the Earth. During the conflict up in space, Sue gives birth to a son who becomes the focal point of the narrative and the subsequent events. The screenplay adds depth to the characters, portraying them as more than mere superheroes. They confront difficult decisions that challenge their moral compass. The characters' vulnerabilities elevate beyond the typical superhero tropes, and that makes it stand out. Fortunately, the film successfully integrates CGI with the storyline, in contrast to recent films that have heavily depended on special effects. The mid-credit scene teases a new character, although the identity remains unknown. They may be baby steps, but the Fantastic Four reboot is off to a good start, and I'm going to go with 3.5 out of 5 stars for this Marvel movie, Fantastic Four. Well, that's what I thought of Fantastic Four that was released this week. Do let us know what you think, and I'll be back with you next week with more movie reviews. Till then, it's goodbye from me.